YT Gears tank bag. Comes with the rare earth element magnets. Fits on any steel tank. Universal fit. Has our front pocket here. We also have side pockets for any of the small paperwork you need to have. Has our extra large big pocket in the front. Comes with the waterproof cover inside compartment as well. Lots of storage. Also has the front port here if you need to charge anything while on the road. Another pocket on the side. Putting the rain cover on is very easy. Keeps all your stuff nice and dry if you're bringing extra clothes, any paper work that's in there while you're riding.
We mentioned the big pocket at the front, right?
Yes, and
Yeah.
it also has the clear,
You can put your iPhone.
Put your phone inside there.
the clear cover.
Just put your iPhone in here.
Where's it going?
You can put your
From the
iPhone.
back?
Right in the top pocket, right? Because it's a clear pocket.
Oh, it goes in from the Velcro.
And you can put
From
your
the
phone
inside, you can slide your phone, or if you're old school, your map. You can even touch your phone from the inside. Read any messages that you may have. It's perfect.